In this tutorial video, we will show you how you can send a data logger or a screenshot via email connecting your meter to your cell phone Wi-Fi hotspot by using the Wi-Fi dongle included in the meter. First of all, we will need to set up the SMTP server details in the meter preferences menu. We must long press the folder button and head to the SMTP tab. Here we will configure the email server IP address, port, and email address from which we will be sending the emails. Once this is done, we must activate the Wi-Fi hotspot in our cell phone and connect the Wi-Fi dongle to our meter. The Wi-Fi configuration window will pop up in our meter. Look for your cell phone hotspot, select it and connect to it. Finally, open the installation manager and select the files that you wish to send via email. Press F2 File and choose Send via email. Press on F3 Add and write the destination email address. Select it and finally press on F4 Send.